In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and customize crypto charts in the Binance iPhone app. Start by opening the Binance app on your iPhone and logging in so you land on the home screen. From here, look along the bottom menu and tap Markets. This is where you can browse live prices and trading pairs. If you see multiple tabs across the top, make sure the Market tab is selected so you're looking at the spot market overview rather than derivatives or other sections. Next, choose the crypto pair you want to view, for example, BTC USDT. A pair like this means you're looking at the price of Bitcoin quoted in Tether. Tapping it opens the detailed chart page, which is where we'll customize what you see. To change how the chart looks, glance to the top right of the chart area. Tap the icon that shows three horizontal lines with a small gear next to it, located beside the indicators icon. This opens the chart settings. Select chart type, then choose the style you prefer, such as candles, bar, or line. Candlesticks display open, high, low, and close for each period and are popular for spotting patterns. Bars show similar information with a different visual style, while line charts connect closing prices for a clean, simplified view. To adjust the time frame, use the buttons right above the chart labeled 1D, 1H, 5M, and similar options. Tap the interval you want. Shorter intervals like 5 minutes reveal quick intraday movements, 1 hour helps you see intraday trends, and 1 day highlights broader, longer-term direction. Switching intervals is a great way to compare short-term noise with the bigger picture. If you want technical overlays, tap indicators at the top right. From here, you can add common tools like MA, EMA, or RSI. A moving average smooths price action, an exponential moving average reacts more quickly to recent changes, and the relative strength index helps spot potential overbought or oversold conditions. You can apply more than one, then close the panel to see them on your chart. If things get cluttered, revisit indicators to remove or hide what you don't need. Finally, use gestures to navigate the chart. Pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in for detail or out to see more history. Swipe left or right to scroll through past price action. If you ever lose your place, a quick swipe back to the right brings you to the most recent candles. That's it. You've opened the pair, customized the chart type, set your preferred time interval, added indicators, and learned the essential gestures to explore the data with confidence.